Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to move your desktop icons wherever you want on your desktop. So if you don't want them to appear in a grid format, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to move them wherever you want. So all you have to do is right click on the desktop, select where it says View, where it says Align Icons to Grid, uncheck that, and then you can move the icons closer together if you want, just like you see it on my screen here. And if you change your mind and you want to go back to how it was, all you have to do is right click in a blank area, select View, and then check mark Align Icons to Grid. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.